Subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I will upload a new video. Hey guys, Namaste. Welcome to Ankinish Creations. In this video, I'm gonna share some simple painting techniques. I have made bookmarks using those techniques, but you can use them for making greeting cards, scrapbooking, etc. Options are endless. So let's get started with the video. Mark at 4.5 centimeters on watercolor paper and cut it out. I will get 4 strips for making bookmarks from one paper. The length of my one strip is around 15 centimeters. And now let's start painting. Start by applying water on the paper and then take little bit of blue color on a flat brush and apply some horizontal strokes like I'm doing here. Do the same thing with green color for painting grassland under the sky. Try to blend the colors until you get the desired look. Let this dry and then mix red watercolor and water until this consistency and dip a single yarn thread in the paint. Now pull the thread out and place it on a rough paper first to get off the excess paint on the thread. Now place the thread on your bookmark slowly so that you are able to place it on a desired area. Don't worry if not placed perfectly as you thought, cause the end result would anyway look very good and different every time you will try this. Once you are done placing your thread, place another paper on top of it and gently hold that paper in place while slowly pulling the thread out. I love doing this technique. It's so much fun and mesmerizing to see different patterns forming every time. Tada! This is how the design looks. It's so much satisfying to lift the paper and see such beautiful designs formed just by pulling the thread. Let this dry completely and then we will attach tassel to this bookmark to make it more unique and beautiful. And we are done with our first technique. Now let's move on to the next one. For this one, paint the base with just one color of your choice. I have chosen bright yellow color here. And then choose another color to paint the flowers. Mix it with just little bit of water to have this type of consistency. Take a broad flat brush like this and dip it in paint like I'm doing here. Now place the brush on a rough paper first to get off the excess paint and then start rolling it on your bookmark like this. This technique is so much fun that once you will start doing it, you will not be able to stop yourself from painting more and more flowers. And the best part is, with this technique you cannot go wrong anywhere. It's so much easy, the end result will always look good. To finish off, take a flat brush and little bit of paint to make the stems of these flowers. You can also make some overlapping circles with different colors with this technique, like I have made one here. And now for this, we will add a cute lace or ribbon to finish off this bookmark. For the last one, start by painting a vertical shading with two different colors. Blend both the colors nicely with little water and clean brush. Draw two leaf designs on a paper and cut it out. Then take a clean toothbrush and dip it in paint like this. Now place one leaf cutout and hold it firmly with your fingers and start spray painting from the top so that the paint won't get inside the leaf paper. Do this from all the sides of the leaf, but take care that the leaf paper does not move. Repeat the same process with another leaf paper as well. Once you are done spray painting, carefully remove the paper. And tada! How beautiful this looks! For adding a charm on this bookmark, I am inserting two pieces of yarn in a pair of bells and tying a knot there. Now inserting this in the hole of the bookmark and tying a knot again. To seal the knot, add some super glue or hot glue and cut off the excess yarn. And we are done with our third and final bookmark. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and comment down below which painting technique you like the most. Share this video with your friends and family and let's share together the joy of being creative. I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative. Please subscribe.